Hey there, my name is Carter Sriracha, also known as the Productive Dude here on YouTube, and as you guys know, I'm the most productive man in the world. I have espresso coursing through my veins 24/7, and I own 17 businesses. So if you really want to learn how to be productive, you should definitely listen to me. Now, if you guys really want to take your Notion game up a notch, then I recommend checking out my Productive Brain template. The Productive Brain template has habits, tasks, notes, all of that baked right into it. This just shortcuts Notion, makes it super easy, and it comes with a lot of great content that explains how it works and teaches you along the way. It implements GTD and Para, and I think you guys are going to love it. So definitely check it out while there is still a sale. The link will be in the top pinned comment and in the description. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create recurring tasks in Notion. And I made a video about this a little while back, but Notion has added a new feature that makes this a little bit better. So I'm just going to share that one today. So let's go ahead and type in recurring tasks at the top of a new page, and I'm going to turn it into a table. And then I'm going to hit new database. The name column is going to get changed to task. That's what we're going to call it. I'm going to delete this tags property right here, and I'm going to create a new date property right here. And now I'm going to click on this little drop down arrow right here. And this is how you create your recurring tasks. You click the little drop down, not the new button, the little drop down. You need to make bigger buttons. Hit new template. And we're going to go ahead and name this morning routine of the most productive man alive. So I'm going to type in an open square bracket and then a closed square bracket, and then I'm going to hit space, and that creates a little checkbox for me. So this way I can type in all of my tasks for the day. If I click the empty button, now you can dynamically fill this based on whenever you actually open and create a new version of this. Today, we'll just enter today's date. Now we'll enter today's date with an included time. So I'm going to select now. So if I click out of this window and then I click on this drop down arrow again, and I click my morning routine of the most productive man alive and open it, it's going to set it for 1:02 p.m. because that is the time that we're in right now, and I can check these off. But how do I make this recurring so that it shows up at the same time every single day, and I can make sure that I knock out all of these items every day? You're going to click this drop down arrow once again. You're going to go navigate to this little 3 dots right here where it says edit this template above it if you hover it, and you're going to click on them. And then you're going to click repeat. So right now it's off. I'm going to click it and I'm going to change it to every day. And we're going to go with every 1 day. And just to show you an example of how this works, I'm going to change it to 1:05 p.m. and then I'm going to hit save. Now right now it's 1:04 p.m. This is my dog. His name is Reese. And when it changes to 1:05, let's see what happens. And it's 1:05, so it should be populating any moment now. And there it is. Populated in at 1:05, and the date automatically filled for us. Now the beauty of having this date column right here is now we can turn this into a calendar view. So if I hit this plus button, I can see this on a calendar. And these will actually generate in on the calendar, and I can sort by the date. And now it's going to show me everything in order for my day as it generates in a calendar view. If you want pre-populated recurring tasks so that they're already there whenever you log in, then I recommend using Google Calendar as your recurring tasks engine because it has it built in already. So if you want your tasks in here ahead of time, definitely check out my video on how to sync up Notion and Google Calendar with a two-way sync. They populate ahead of time and you can actually plan around them.